don't mind the open hood. I'm just cooling down the engine while I have the opportunity. I got onto this road, and I was approaching my destination, and suddenly I thought, wow, the road's really getting bumpy. But then I was looking, and it's not. It's actually a perfectly made road. And then all of a sudden, I heard, and this thing came flying out. And I was like, oh, how wonderful is that? I'm being sarcastic. So, this is what I've got going on. As you can see, for a while, this thing was hitting the side of the van. But anyhow, I'm going to change it, and I'm going to let you watch. This is me having to change a tire. Okay. There we go. Hold on, Raj. Okay, don't move around, please. I'll think you. Why are you doing that, Raj? They don't want you to take it right off. So, up with the jack. Up with the jack. Up with the jack. Don't move, Raj. Raj, are you moving around there? Do not move at all! Yeah, that's up, kids. Remind them every time of what we're doing. You have to remind them because they've got it every minute. By the way, it is also the hottest day of the year. It's over 100 degrees, and the humidity is about, sorry, between 65 and 85% right now. And I was hoping to get to my destination, which is up in the mountains. Kind of do what I have to do, looking for things, and also celebrating the summer solstice, which is happening in about a few hours. So, let me see this. Should be done right. That's hot? Alright, get the job done. Luckily, I did have a tire ready because I had it all prepped up. This is my third flat this year because I'm getting too rugged. But, the ground part's gonna fit right into the hole. You know, it's not into the hole. Yeah, we're doing good. Everything's doing good. Okay, now I'm gonna loosen it. My hand tighten, and then I'm gonna come back. There, we're gonna go ahead again with this. Yeah, every once in a while, it's hard to this. That's not refund. That's what you get for free. Check it out. That's what you get for trying. For not for trying. Whatever. It's fixed for now. Thank God. Back on the road.